Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Revv Eats Stay at Home special with me, Rene. And for today's episode, we have another tasty yet easy to cook dish. We're gonna bring you beef stew. That's right. And think about the dish today is we're gonna be using one of the appliances probably that you have at home, which you may or may not have used. But we're gonna be using a pressure cooker. That's right. So we're gonna use the pressure cooker to cook our beef stew. Okay folks, before we jump right in and show you how to get the dish done, let's quickly run through the ingredients that you will be needing for this dish. And just in case you're wondering how do I get the ingredients, well, not to worry, we're going to give you more details right at the end of this episode. Well folks, there you have it. We have completed doing our beef stew, and honestly it is really simple, and all you have to do is follow all the simple steps that we will provide you on our website. Okay, you can actually find out all the ingredients, which will give you a link in just a bit. And the dish that we cook basically serves about 3 people, but of course with the measurements that we've given you, you can actually increase it if you're planning on serving more people. And also, the reason why we decided to go along with the pressure cooker, because the pressure cooker actually reduces your cooking time by half. Alright, and the other thing is because it works in 2 ways, it uses steam and pressure, it actually forces all that delicious flavors in the soup right into the meat. So what happens is you get a very flavorful beef, not only with the soup, but with the beef itself. Well folks, that's all the time we have for you right here on Revv Eats Stay at Home special with our beef stew recipe. Certainly hope you found it enjoyable and at the same time easy to cook as well. To find out more about Revv Evolution and all the things we've done, whether it's Revv Eats, it's Revv Technologies, Revv Lifestyle Motoring as well, do remember to check out our website right over there. And also our social media platforms, and for the recipe, head on over to our website as well. So till we catch you again, this is Rene, signing off.